wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am trying a new foundation, not just a new foundation, but a new to me brand. So you guys want to know more? Let's go. So we're in my bathroom because it would be too dark for me to use natural lighting because it's 4 something in the afternoon. I'm getting ready later because this is also going to be the makeup that I wear to dinner tonight. So face actually really has to be beat. I'm not sure if it's such a good idea to do that with foundation. I have no idea how it's going to perform, but we're here. So, you know, worst case scenario, I just canceled dinner. So this is the About Face. Why am my voice correct? This is the About Face, the Performer Skin Focused Foundation. This retails for 22 dual hairs for 1.08 ounces. Comes in 45 shades. I picked it up in the shade D3 Neutral. And let's see what it says here. The Performer Skin Focused Foundation by About Face. Buildable, breathable, medium coverage. Delivers a long wear second skin finish. Coverage meets skincare in this skin optimizing foundation formulated with powerful ingredients. Okay, doesn't say much about it, but it's got 4.6 rating. Okay, fingers crossed. This looks pretty neutral. I really need this to go correctly. But let's just get into it. Okay, very cute packaging, and it has this type of applicator to it. I have high hopes.
You like the view from behind, but you won't make an mess of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings.
Okay, and let's just start blending that out. If you see me keep looking that way, it's because there's a much larger mirror. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on, wait. Ooh, wait a minute. Blending out very, very easily. Good coverage. I'm sorry, I keep trying to remember to look at y'all. Okay, now get the forehead. It blends out very easily. I like that. Jump. And then y'all, concealer is Fenty concealer. Let's just go ahead, blend that out. She is also blending out very easily on top of the foundation. Love that for us. I'm trying to stay focused, y'all. I'm trying to here, Shani, look here. Whoop.
It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready, and then I will come back so you can see the final face and give you my first impressions. Now, if I can record when I get home, I will show you the update at the end of the night. If not, you're gonna have to sit on this first impression for now, and then I will give you an update on how it looks like hours later. I know I'll at least get like a recording or something like that while I'm out. I don't know if you see what I'm saying. Y'all know how I usually come back at the end of the day and give. I really don't know if your girl will be capable of doing that. So let me just go. Okay, that took a lot longer than I thought it would. A lot has happened since I left to finish my face, but this is what the foundation looks like. Listen, I already fixed the bang, but y'all get the idea. This is what the foundation looks like on my face, baby. And it's had a little time to marinate, cook from the heat of me doing my hair. Wait a minute, about face. Let me find out. Let me find out about face. So this is going to be my face for the night. First impressions, I was impressed literally from blending it out. First of all, color. Thank you for actually making a neutral foundation that is a neutral undertone. Blends out really nice on the face. They weren't playing when they said skin-like finish. That's probably why I like it. Y'all know I like a little bit more of a skin-like finish to my face. It did mention like skincare type ingredients in foundation. Y'all know I really don't like those, but those are usually like serum type foundations. This is not giving that. Okay, it was buildable on the face. I did do not another layer, but I do have some dark spots from breakouts, so I did do like another layer over those. A buildable foundation, but I would say pretty like medium coverage out of the tube. You can build it down like down all the way down to sheer if you want to. Build it up to full coverage. Yeah, I like this. This is for my clean makeup aesthetic girlies, but also for my full coverage bring back 2016 type makeup. I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I liked it, and it's like it's moving with the skin the longer that it's on the face. I really like this, and it's only $22. It's only, I don't know much about the brand. This is my first time trying anything of theirs. It's owned by Halsey, right? She's the owner of this company, I believe. I could do a full face of about face if you guys want me to, but baby, this first impression, this first go around, I'm all the way here for it. Like I said, I will attempt to remember to like check in when I come home. It's already 6, so we'll see how that goes. If I do, I do, and you guys get to see what it looks like after a night out. If I don't, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Okay, not my proudest moment, and do not be like me. Do you hear me? Don't be like me. But it's the next day. It's actually noon the next day, and as you can see, I slept in my makeup. I know. Don't do that. Literally do not do that. But you know, it is what it is. Somehow my bonnet got put on, but okay. But the only reason that I would put myself on blast like that is because, baby, look at my face. It's really like, you're really not supposed to do that. But baby, look at, I did my face yesterday at what? It was like what, 6 p.m.? About face. We here. Okay, because you know, I feel like if I gave a couple touches to this, you really couldn't tell that this was done over 12 hours ago. I hope seeing me test this out has helped you. Think you can check it out for yourself. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.